A single icon can make your FastMCP server instantly recognizable in crowded client interfaces. We'll define a visual identity for your components using the standard MCP Icon type, showing how to specify image sources, MIME types, and size variants that client applications will display.
From MCP, types import icon. Icon equals icon. src equals https://example.com/icon png. mimeType equals image/png. Sizes equals 48x48.
This demonstrates the declarative metadata pattern for enhancing API discoverability through visual identifiers. Icons serve as semantic markers that attach visual context to functional components, creating a bridge between machine-readable APIs and human-friendly interfaces. Unlike traditional API documentation that relies solely on text, this approach embeds visual cues directly into the protocol layer, making them first-class citizens in the API contract. The pattern operates by decoupling visual representation from functional implementation, allowing icons to be specified alongside components without modifying their core logic. By standardizing icon metadata through a dedicated type system, the framework enables consistent rendering across different client applications while maintaining flexibility in icon sources and formats. This separation of concerns means developers can update visual assets independently of business logic, and clients can adapt presentations without requiring server-side changes. Visual identifiers solve the critical problem of cognitive load in complex API ecosystems, where text-only descriptions become insufficient for quick recognition. Icons provide immediate visual differentiation between similar components, reduce onboarding friction for new users, and enable richer client-side experiences like graphical tool palettes or visual workflow builders. The trade-off is minimal, adding simple metadata, while the payoff is significant, improved usability without compromising the API's machine-readable precision. Let's break it down line by line.
From MCP, types import icon.
Imports the icon type from the MCP types module. This defines the structured data format required for MCP-compatible icons, ensuring type safety and validation.
Icon equals icon.
This instantiates an icon object from the MCP types module. The icon class standardizes how icons are defined across the MCP ecosystem, ensuring consistent metadata structure for all visual assets.
src equals https://example.com/icon png.
The src parameter specifies the direct URL to the icon image file. This is the required source location where the browser or application will fetch the icon from, ensuring the visual representation is loaded correctly.
mimeType equals image/png.
Specifies the MIME type as image/png, ensuring browsers and clients interpret the binary data correctly. Without this, the icon might render as corrupted or fail to load entirely, as the client wouldn't know how to handle the raw bytes. This is standard practice for any external media reference in web contexts.
Sizes equals 48x48.
Specifies available icon dimensions using the W3C standard sizes attribute. This helps browsers and platforms select the optimal icon variant, preventing unnecessary scaling artifacts or layout shifts. Required for proper icon display in web manifests and PWA installations. Closes the icon object initialization. This final parenthesis completes the constructor call, creating an immutable icon configuration with the specified source, MIME type, and dimensions. Visual identity pattern. Icons in FastMCP 2 transform abstract server capabilities into tangible visual elements, creating immediate recognition across client interfaces without altering functionality. The sizes array must match the actual image dimensions, or clients may render icons incorrectly or not at all. Always provide multiple icon sizes, 48x48, 96x96, to ensure crisp rendering on all devices.
The icon that names no function becomes the face of every function.